Welcome back, YouTube. I'm Dave. This is Day in Court Food Review, and today we are having lunch with Wendy's. I know I say this a lot, but it's been a while since I've had Wendy's. I would say, well, maybe about a year. I stopped in about a year ago. I think I was just wanted a quick little burger, and went for it. And it was pretty good, I guess. But today, what I got was, two 4 for $4s. I was going to get the $5. See, I've got this light right here. I'm trying something, just trying to see, trying something with the lighting. I don't know. But anyway, I was going to try the Biggie, the $5 Biggie bag? But it came with the exact same thing that the 4 for 4 had, except I think like a burger with an extra patty. Little bitty thin square patty. So I figured, I'm not going to, no. I figured, no. So I got 2 of these, and they come with 4 chicken nuggets for this one, a small potato fry, French potato fry. They gave me barbecue sauce, but I didn't want barbecue sauce. I asked for their I think it's called Awesome Sauce, or Awesome-O, or Smawesome Sauce. I didn't get it with this bag. And this one, I got some kind of chicken sandwich. This was a chicken sandwich. It's like their chicken sandwich. Alright, and this guy, I got more napkins. And of course, they gave me barbecue sauce. Didn't ask for barbecue sauce. I asked for the Awesome-O sauce. Or, Awesome Sauce. Okay, we got more fries. And then this one, I got a 100% pure beef burger of some variety. I believe it's a double stack. Alright. We get the fries here. That's about what I remember with some fries. Oh yeah, and then with each of these you got a beverage. And I got Coca-Cola. Actually, I got 2 of them, so you end up with 2 beverages. I probably will not drink the second one, but let's try their sandwich. Okay, you know what? Let's try their chicken one. Let's get the chicken one out of the way. Alright, I'm so tired of chicken sandwiches. Alright, so this is their chicken sandwich. Okay, well, there we go. Chicken sandwich. And what we have here is, it's like a decent piece of romaine, a big old whack of mayonnaise, which is okay because I like mayo, and just a particle chicken thing. But all right, what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to take some of this mayo that's on the top and wipe it on the bottom bun. There we go. That way we got mayo on both top and bottom. Take this piece of lettuce, because there's more mayo whacked in there. Wipe it on the bottom bun. Put that on the bottom, put this on the top, and then do like that. So now we've got chicken sandwich. Let's try it. And that is exactly what I remember it being. It has the exact same flavors like the Burger King chicken sandwich. You could go to Walmart, Publix, H-E-B, Albertsons, Smith's, whatever grocery store you have. Piggly Wiggly, I'm sure, has them, if you still have a Piggly Wiggly. But yeah, I'm sure you can buy these in the frozen food section. Just cheap, generic chicken. But with that being said, it's still good. I mean, it's tasty. It's not under any circumstances, comparable to, say, a Chick-fil-A or KFC or even Burger King. And I didn't like the Burger King one. I really didn't care for it much. But yeah, Well, this is flavorful. Okay. You can get some of these fries before they get cold, or too cold anyway. Okay. I love fries with the skin. You get that skin flavor. It's so good. It's like mashed potatoes. I like leaving the skin. Some call that dirty mash, some call it rustic mashed potatoes, some call it, I'm sure they have a different name for it. But I like calling them dirty mash. Dirty mashed potatoes. It doesn't look good on a menu. But if you're in the South, people know where you're coming from. You try to do that in some of these other places. Nah. Like, I don't want dirty mashed potatoes. Alright. This is inside of one of their chicken nuggets. Check that. Here you go. Let's try their BBQ sauce. It smells smoky. Like it's smoky. Alright, let's try their barbecue sauce. Well, their barbecue sauce is not that bad. Hey, alright. It's pretty solid. Wendy's barbecue sauce is tight. Now, it's not as good as Pat's homemade barbecue sauce. But Pat's homemade barbecue sauce is good. You know it's good when it's made by real hoes. You've never had Pat's homemade barbecue sauce? You should check it out. There's probably a picture popping up sometime soon. It's some good sauce. It's some tasty sauce there they got, and Pat did good. Alright, so we'll finish this guy up. Now, yeah, as far as chicken sandwiches go, that chicken sandwich is on the bottom of the rung. It's bottom shelf. You know, if you just want something that's going to make a turd, it'll do it. It'll do it. But this barbecue sauce is God. Mm-hmm. All right. So, working on some fries here, and we got exactly 4 nuggets left. There we go. Don't have any way to prop it up. It's okay. But hey guys, if you like what you're seeing, if you're enjoying the content, please hit the subscribe button. That'd be pretty cool. You know, it's only like 9 minutes or 10 minutes into the video, so you know, it's not that late. Okay, let's try this burger. And I always order my burgers without mustard. But I forgot this time. So let's see if it comes with mustard. It does come with mustard, but that's okay. I forgot to say no mustard. And I always order it with no mustard, mainly because I don't really care for mustard all that much. It's not like I don't like it per se. I'll just rather not have it. And usually you get a fresher burger. You know, it's during their rush, especially if it's during their rush, because they're pumping them out. They've just got burgers sitting up there ready to sell. So, you know, it's my bad. No. And this does have 2 patties. Little bitty square patties. I swear these things have gotten smaller. I think these patties have gotten smaller. I really do. I'm very curious to see the spec on these. Like from the 80s, when they first opened, or 70s, whenever it was they opened. I think it was the 80s. Yeah, but all in all, Wendy's isn't bad food. Yeah, but anywhere can be horrible. You got bad people back there. You know, people that don't want to work, don't like their job, don't like the manager, and that's usually the case. You know, people typically don't leave jobs; they leave managers. You know. And I think it was what's that guy's name? Like Bronson, something Bronson, I think. He was the owner of Virgin, you know, Virgin Airlines, Virgin Mobile, Virgin, all that stuff. And he came out and said, and it makes 100% sense. Said, you know, owners, don't worry about your customers. Don't worry about them. All right, owners need to treat their employees well. They need to worry about their employees, because they're worried about their employees. They treat their employees well. Excuse me. They treat their employees well. The employees in turn will treat the customers well. If you have an employee that's not treating the customer well, then really all you have to do is go to the employee and say, hey, am I not treating you well? Am I not paying you enough? Am I not giving you enough hours? You know, am I working you too much? What's the deal? And when they say, no, everything's fine. Okay, well, then why are you treating my customers like shit? That's all you have to do. You know, there's really no need for reprimanding. There's no need for anything like that. All you gotta do at that point is just ask the question: what am I doing wrong? You know, why are you pissing off the people that are putting food on all of our tables? You don't want to do that. Yeah, but then you have some people that just suck, and there's nothing you can do to satisfy them. There's nothing you can do to, you know, to show them, you know, what that they're in the wrong, because they for some reason think the customer's always right, and when in fact the customer's almost never right. They're usually almost always wrong. But you got to put on a little smiley face and, you know, try to, I don't know, try to work around it. But yeah, some people out there really suck. And there's some people that are absolutely amazing. Some people are just amazing people. You know, just run across a handful. Not many. Run across a handful. You know, it's kind of sad that the majority of the people that you run into in this life, they're just not good people. You know, it's a... But luckily those people are, you know, wolves in wolf clothing. It's spotted fairly easily. But anyway, these chicken nuggets are okay. Well, we're just about done here, folks. You know, for as mediocre as all this is, it's really a fairly satisfying lunch. No, I'm not mad about it. All right. So, really my final thoughts on Wendy's. It's good value. You know, you get decent grub. You know, I wouldn't make this part of your diet, or your everyday diet rather, but you know, we need calories, we need fuel. So if you need some fuel, stop in and get some. All right, cool. Well, again, I appreciate you guys coming out. Appreciate you joining me. I hope that you saw the thumbnail and the description was Wendy's, and you went out and got yourself some Wendy's and came and had some lunch with me. That would be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool. So I'm kind of hoping some people are doing. You know, so we sit here and have lunch together. We don't have to be so lonely. Unfortunately, it's all a one-sided conversation. You know, you have to listen to me talk. But if you're a good listener, I usually am. But, yeah. So anyway, so folks, if you would please, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, you know, share, all that stuff. And, leave a comment if you made it, leave a comment if you made it this far. And tell me the number 4. Yeah. But, yeah, just hit the subscribe button. Like the video if you would, please. And, yeah, there'll be more content coming your way. I believe I'm posting, uploading, whatever you want to call it. Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Right around 5:30 in the morning. That's when I usually schedule it. I haven't been scheduling for the last week just because there are quite a few issues. For some reason, I couldn't upload on what's called a studio, YouTube Studio. It wouldn't do it there, so I had to do it a different way, and then scheduling wasn't working on that, having problems processing. I don't know if anybody else is having some issues. Like a lot of channels that I watch, they were not having, apparently weren't having an issue, unless they already set those, you know, scheduled those for, you know, way back when. But I'm still having issues with it, and I'm just going a different route. Uploading directly through YouTube instead of going through the studio. Really, the only benefit going through the studio is your tags are already added. You know, you preload them. You know, your what is it? Your descriptions already for the most part there. Your, you know, a lot of stuff's already there. Or actually, no, I think that's it. It's easier to whatchamacallit though. Schedule. So anyway, yeah, again, thanks for coming out. Appreciate you having lunch with me. And, yeah, see you next time. definitely see you next time. See you tomorrow, maybe? Maybe. Come join me. All right. Remember, guys, if you can't be good at it. Later!